Captain Cat, I like that.
We target rockfish.
Rockfish on this one?
They're they look real similar to a bass.
Okay.
But there's 80 different species out here, kind of all different colors.
Okay. You got one? Yeah. Oh, say no more. Already?
A red striped rockfish. Yeah, we're allowed to keep.
What the weight?
Yeah. One of these a piece of this species.
One of these a piece. Okay. You got one, boo?
Keep bringing it in. Yeah.
You got one? Look at that.
You'll have to explain.
Look at that. Let's
Step
go,
your left
brother.
arm.
Let's
Woohoo!
go.
Another.
Yes.
Another red stripe.
She out here. Come on, wife, you got this. It feels good.
See the way it's tugging?
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Nice.
Yes.
So we were tangled, but
There you go. Good. Oh, oh, look how red he is. Look at how red that one is. That's sweet. Good job, baby bubble.
A sweet little baby. Yeah. That is a juvenile yellow eye rockfish.
Juvenile. There we go. He gonna come up here eventually. He was down there in the dark. He's gonna come up to the light. Ooh, he making me work for this though.
Hold tight. I'm gonna move the boat.
He's making me work for this. Come on, buddy. Come on, don't go over there by that motor. Don't go over there by that motor.
whoa!
Ooh,
We got him.
there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Is there certain things I shouldn't touch?
The spiky part.
He's got all kinds of thorns. He's got all kinds of
red
thorns.
stripe.
Yeah,
Size one.
absolutely. That's beautiful.
Old bump here.
Yeah, there you go. And this one was the one with the step on. Yes. Yeah, good job. You got this. You got this. Woo. Hook back up. I kind of let it sit there, and then he kind of grabbed it. Just a little bit.
Still got the fish.
Still got the fish. Oh, that looks like a disaster.
No, I think he caught it.
No, that one's yours.
He's gonna hold that. What did you guys do?
Yeah, look, I gotta.
Still, see, it wasn't mine.
You
I
sh-
still got on my bait.
Oh, okay. There's I guess that's proof.
I saw that one.
There we go.
I was like, oh, there was a real bite.
Yep. There we go. We knew you would.
Yay.
Yep. There you go. How's it feel?
Not too bad.
Oh, look at them head shakes. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh. I see that there was no more slack. We got a double. When it comes to fishing, baby, I feed you. Oh, no, he wants to go by that motor. There he is, right there. Another good one. Another good one for the crew. Beautiful.
Good job.
Yeah, you too. Good job.
Yeah, oh, you got another one too. Good job.
Absolutely.
Guys.
Yeah, we got a double.
I don't have a regular camera.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Out here in Alaska. Ketchikan. Ooh. Yeah, he bit this one on the drop.
Oh, that one.
I gotta switch positions sometimes for these fish. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one there.
Go for it.
That's a good one. Woo! Dang, that one's massive.
Yeah, that's a fat red stripe.
Oh, wifey. Wifey hooked up out here in Ketchikan.
So,
You can take it off.
Yeah. Yeah.
once I get down there,
Good job, wifey. Good job.
just grab by the lip.
Hooked up again. But we back to back.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hooked up. Hooked up.
Yeah,
We got a double. We got a double. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Nope.
Yeah,
There we go.
that guy.
Beautiful.
That's pretty.
Beautiful. Whew. Man, I'm telling you. You ain't lying. Dang, this one is massive.
Yeah, that one is pretty big. Whoa.
Oh, man, this is a good one here. This is a good one. Oh, man. I'm way on the bottom, though. I think he's coming up today. Jeez.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
Ooh, wait, look how pretty that is.
Yeah, juvenile. It's probably a couple of years old, that fish.
Couple years old, that's it?
Once they get like this, they get, you know, it takes 20 years to get that big. So
Whoa.
you're not allowed to eat any of that.
Whoa.
They're just straight dark gold with big yellow eyes.
Ooh, wee.
They're beautiful.
A tiger rockfish.
Oh, he's pretty. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Tiger stripes. She's spawning too.
Oh.
Come on, keep your eggs, girl. Keep your eggs.
leaking.
What, you have one?
Yep. Oh, he's trying to fight it towards the end. Oh, what is this?
Oh,
I think,
that's a different
I
fish.
think it's like purple.
I've not seen that guy before.
What this is? Oh, look at that. It's too small to keep, but beautiful fish. Is this thing too small to keep?
He looks like he's muted with a trout.
Like he done got.
That's a dusky.
It's a dusky?
Thanks for catching me lunch, bro. I was gonna be pretty hungry. Grab a cup of coffee or some soda.
Cool. Soda.
Kind of grab a place by the fire pit. I'm gonna take the fish up to these cutting tables and cut them up. If you guys want to get a picture of all the ones we kept together, follow me up there. Up in the woods that way is the men's room. You know, pick your favorite tree.
I got
Go
it.
straight through the camp. There should be signs back there for the ladies' room.
Cool.
We got kind of an outhouse situation.
Beautiful.
And yeah, I'll fillet up the fish, get it to the cook, and we'll have some grub.
Sweet, man. That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a sweet little spot.
Definitely.
You want to put that next one over there real quick? We should go for it.
Got a pretty sweet system. Whatever you gotta do. Oh, my bad. No, you're good. Those are the best pants. Oh, this is sweet. Look at this.
Hey, thank you.
You just pull up on shore like it ain't nothing. Just pull up to an island and start cooking some fish.
I'm such a nice guy.
Oh.
Hi. He's so cute.
This is Kiska. She's my baby girl.
Oh, she's so sweet.
She's a little swampy. You see how he's dry? The other one's dry.
The other
She
one-
just likes the water, so she always gets in the water.
He's just so
pretty
sweet.
girl.
Oh, yeah, good girl.
What type of dog? They're border collies.
Border collie? Oh, yeah, good girl. Probably gets all kinds of attention. That one's a boy. That's sweet.
She's so beautiful. Purple shell.
Man, this is insane. This is probably one of the coolest things we've ever done.
Hey everybody, this is my YouTube channel, not his.
She ain't lying.
I'm the Lally now.
Y'all better watch and listen.
I said I'm the Lally now, you know how he's like, I'm the captain now.
No lie.
Because we can live in our own element with fishing, you know, we do that back home too, so.
Yeah, so this is what we love doing. And we're not that many people.
No. know, yeah.
And it was really fun.
Yeah.
So.
And then that train ride was good because it was just something different, and it's like we love the scenery and stuff.
Oh yeah, we love the scenery.
And we got to go on an actual rail, like for a train ride that they used way back in history. So.
Yep. So this one and the train, we're definitely gonna put links down below. If y'all ever come to Alaska, y'all want to know some very good excursion ideas, we're gonna definitely put those down below. Oh yeah, he ain't playing. That's a real nice. He cutting everything. He back here busy. Ooh, that sun is hot. I feel that sun. So we're gonna come up to camp. We're gonna come up to the campfire. We're gonna come up to camp, see if our food is done. Looks like it's on the menu. Looks like we got fish, the fresh fish we caught. Looks like some soup, maybe some other good stuff. So we're gonna just check it out. I'm gonna eat wifey's plate and mine. I gotta do what I gotta do.
Are we the first set of cruise ships in for the season?
No.
Okay.
This is just my first time running this trip this year.
Oh, cool.
So far, I've just done halibut hunts, where we just go out and try to catch halibut for the whole trip.
Those hooks are huge.
Yeah, they're a little big for a lot of the fish that are around right now.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, they're small, looking like a decent sized flounder, most of them.
You fish those pretty deep, don't you?
Yeah, I try to stay less than 350 feet. 240, 250 is kind of seems to be more manageable for most people to crank them up from that depth. Mm-hmm. But they go into thousands of feet. Oh wow! I do have a dessert coming, guys. I'm gonna go grab it right now.
Oh gosh.
Right, you don't want to pass it up.
Right, definitely not. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. More great videos on the way. Ketchikan, Alaska.